speaking on Procyon Radio and Television with SERAP. I'm not alone today. I'm with MKO All-Rounder, a music comedian.
Thank you for listening to us and joining us once again.
Thank you for joining us. Presidential Election Petition Tribunal to deliver judgment among TINUBU, Atiku, and Obi September 16th. The Presidential Election Petition Tribunal has finally fixed Saturday, September 16th as date for the much-awaited judgment on the petition challenging the pronouncement of Bola Tinubu as winner of February 25th presidential election by the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. Reacting to that, Charlie Oputa, popularly known as Charlie Boy and Obedience, wrote on his Twitter handle, "Obedience, are you ready? Some people can't even eat anymore. There is so much hardship in the country. Do something," Ahmed Lawal tells TINUBU. Former Senate President Ahmed Lawal has called on the federal government to cushion the hardship people are going through in the country following the removal of fuel subsidy. Lawal made this known during the distribution of rice and millet to the 9,000 vulnerable persons in Yobe State. SERAP gives TINUBU 48 hours to reverse ban on some media houses from covering presidential villa. Social Economic Rights and Accountable Project SERAP has urged President Bola Tinubu to use his good office and leadership position to immediately release the unlawful ban on 25 journalists and media houses from covering the presidential villa and restore the accreditation of those affected. The banned journalists include Vanguard, Galaxy TV, Ben TV, ITV Abuja, Liberty TV, among others. MKO All-Rounder.
Thank you.
Here we are with the trending today. And first of all, you heard Presidential Election Petition Tribunal to deliver judgment on the 16th of September.
Yes.
They have finally given us the date.
They finally give us the date that they will deliver the judgment. They finished this the court proceeding and whatever since how many weeks now. Now because the timeline that the electoral law gave them is I think it will expire September 19th. And now they wanted to give the verdict on the 16th.
Yes, 16th.
Why are they pushing it too long and too close to that day? You see, everything in our countries is the way we do things. We call ourselves giant of Africa. We are just giant in the size. We are not giant in the proper way. That look at Ghana.
Probably they are taking their time. They don't want to make mistakes.
Which mistake? That time that I know Nigeria now. We are Nigeria now. We know how we do it now. Ghana within a few weeks that they finish before they install their president, they've already finished the case in the court, and also the Kenya. So, but Nigeria now, we are waiting for we are waiting. Just get it to that expiring date that the electoral law gave before they give the judgment. Okay. But all well and said, and what I want now is that I pray that the judgment will not be the end of the democracy in Nigeria. We are praying fervently for that. And if they wrote down the judgment that will tear this country apart, I beg God to change their mind and tear the paper and rewrite another one that will unify, bring peace into the nation, that people will jubilate into
in the country.
The country. So that's what I pray
So thank you very much, MKO. Some people can't even eat anymore. There's so much hardship in the country. Ahmed Lawal is telling the president to do something.
Yeah. Ahmed, that's a former president, Ahmed Lawal. Yes. That's a former Senate president that is talking about that. No, we all know now. The funny things about all these so-called our leaders is that they know in their air conditions room and the air conditions office in the air conditions cars, they know what is happening to the citizen of Nigeria. They just be pretending. They know. Understand? When he was the president of Senate during Buhari's regime, understand? This is how Nigeria too was in a hardship. But now it's no more the president of Senate now. He can now see the hardship
the people are going through.
The people that they are going through now. So, we know that the hardship is in there. And what I'm fearing and what is happening is that the hardship will bring out some bad verses. You understand? Many things is happening now. The bandits, all these bandits, all this kidnapping, all this, many things, many evil vices are rose because of the hardship. So, government, please, we beg you, President TINUBU, please, you say you can do it, That is why you snatch it and grab it. You are there now. You told us that you can do it, that nobody should pity you now. Yes. So we are not pitying you now. We are telling you the truth, what is happening in Nigeria. Please, the hardship is too much. It is too much on people. Be a good manager now. We voted you to be a manager. This is our resources that God gave for the all Nigeria. You understand? Be a competent Nigeria. Think out of box and do something to the people. So just overlook that. No. Do something now to cushion this hardship on Nigeria. We beg you, we beg thee, Mr. President.
Thank you. SERAP gives TINUBU 48 hours to reverse ban on some media houses from covering presidential villa.
Again, President TINUBU, we are not in the military regime. This is a civilian regime. And there is a freedom of information. In the democracy, yes, there is no hiding clothing in anywhere. Now, you banned about 25 media from covering Aso Rock. Why? What are you hiding in Aso Rock that we should not see? Now, among those media houses that was banned, is TVC among them? Don't ask me. TVC is not among them. You, President TINUBU, you are the founder and the chairman of TVC Media House. And it was not among those that you banned. So is it that only TVC will show what you want? Why are you banning the media houses? This is not military regime. This is a civilian government. So, and we have freedom of speech. So, please, Mr. President, the SERAP has given you how many days now?
48 hours.
48 hours. Please, we are begging you. Unban these media houses. Unban the media to cover you, Mr. President TINUBU.
Thank you. All right. Thank you very much for being with us.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching us. Trending on Procyon Radio and television. Keep shining like the star you are.